Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak iOS 15.3 using Cydia. No computer is required for this, guys. This is 100% untethered. So let me just pop open this app, guys, and show you it is fully functional. It's got every feature you'd want in a Cydia jailbreak, guys. This is awesome. You can get all types of free tweaked apps and free paid apps using this. It's awesome, guys. I'll show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super easy to install. It literally takes like 2 minutes to set up. Just so you guys know, I also got it here running on my other iPhone. It's working on all iOS devices and all iOS versions. So if you're on iOS 15.3.1 or an earlier version, it's also working. I've got it here running on my iPhone 12 and my iPhone XS as well. I've also tested it on a few other devices as well, and it is working flawlessly on all of them. So guys, honestly, this is the only way to jailbreak iOS 15.3 out right now that's actually working with Cydia, where you can get all the free apps and free tweaks without any glitches or bugs or anything like that. So guys, let me just show you guys. I am on the latest version of iOS. So check this out, guys, 15.3. So I know it says 15.3.1 and you guys are looking for the 15.3 jailbreak, but don't worry, guys, this works on 15.3 and 15.3.1 both flawlessly. Okay, guys? So yeah, let me show you guys also. I got it running here on my iPhone XS as well, also working flawlessly. So check this out, guys. As you guys can see, it's got all the features you want, all the features you need. This is honestly the best jailbreak for iOS 15.3, guys. I'm telling you. Like, I'm gonna walk you guys through the installation. It literally takes about 2 whole minutes to get this thing set up and installed. Like I said, no computer is required. It's untethered. So let's get into it, guys. So the first thing I want to do is open up your browser, okay? And we're going to go to this website right here, okay? We're going to go to, just get this website typed right into your browser, guys. Okay? So, and make sure you guys do this on Safari. It's a lot easier to do on Safari, okay, guys? So get this website typed into your browser, and basically what this, you want to get this website typed in, you want to click the go button. When you click the go button, it's basically going to download an installer profile, and I'll walk you guys through how to get through the rest of the steps from there. So we're going to want to go to this website, guys. Once you go to the website, you click the go button. It's going to ask you to download a profile. You download the profile, and basically that's the Cydia installer profile for the rest of the jailbreak. And from there, I'll show you guys exactly how to get the rest of the steps done. Okay, so get that typed in. Click the go button. Okay, click allow. Close. Now we're going to go to your. We're going to go to our flight. Our flight. We're going to go back to our settings. And if you've never downloaded a profile before, it's super easy. It's going to say right here, profile downloaded. Once you go to your general settings, so click profile download. As you guys can see, it says Cydia. This will install Cydia on your device and jailbreak your device. So you just want to enter in your passcode. Click the next button. Click install. Install. Done. Okay, so basically I just updated my Cydia installer profile app. So I'm going to pop that open, guys. And so, yeah, basically I just updated the app, okay, guys? So basically to complete the installation, what you guys got to do is you basically have to get it out of sandbox mode, because right now it's in sandbox mode. So basically what you want to do to get it out of sandbox mode is you just click on any of these features, okay? So we'll click on, for example, manage account. Okay, so it's going to basically say installation required. So basically, to complete the installation, because right now it's in sandbox mode, you click the start installation button right here. It's going to take you to the installation wizard. Now once you're at the installation wizard, you basically have to install all the apps and do exactly what each individual app's instructions say, okay, guys? Because basically when you install the apps and do their instructions, it initiates a break in the code which begins transferring the files for Cydia, the Cydia iOS 15.3 jailbreak, over to your device. So guys, take your time with it. Within 30 minutes, the app should load. If it doesn't load within 30 minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back, install more of the apps, and do exactly what each individual app's instructions say, okay, guys? So just, guys, pay attention to what each individual app's instructions say. Do exactly what they say, and basically, guys, just take your time with it, and your device will be jailbroken. So thanks for watching, guys. That's how to jailbreak iOS 15.3. I'm out.